You guys can see the view, the morning view.
Guys, they are faking. Waste of money.
Left ah? Ayyo. Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. If you see, these guys are fighting for brushing.
Hi. For brush we are fighting. They cheated us. In one bathroom only one brush is available.
Okay.
Night Saraka Modium Avium. Body another Sugan. One brush is.
So good morning guys. Just wait, I need to take my specs. Yeah, so we had a campfire and all yesterday night. Actually, they won't allow any campfires or any music after 10 o'clock in Ooty. But since we requested, they had given the campfire for me. I mean for us. So I didn't shoot that video. If I shooted and posted, definitely the police will come and ask the respective villa, because this is one of a famous villa in the Ooty. So now we are going for going to have breakfast. See that person. You guys can see the view, the morning view. Since 2 nights I'm driving restlessly, so I can't able to woke up in the morning. Oh, I think I put the back mic. Let's check. They said for 6 members it's a complimentary buffet. Everybody is having their food there.
Satish?
Yeah.
What is it, bro?
Boat house. Please
He was
explain.
eating that ice cream. Mother left her with the ice cream and come.
He said I will stand
You are in
there.
the photos.
We'll sit there, bro. You come. So I thought while I went to that place, he was not there. He's not present there. So I thought he went in car. So I drove by myself to the place. It is somewhere around 2 kilometers away from the, not 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer hardly. So 1 kilometer away from the place we went, and this fellow is sitting there waiting for me. I'll finish my breakfast and we'll get ready. We are going to Avalanche. You want to try it out?
Try it.
Bro. 11:53. We all are checking out now. Satish is with me. Anakam. He forgot everything. He forget the stuff also.
What stuff?
Hey, chocolate sir. Sugar. உள்ள இருக்கு. வாங்கம்மா போலாம். Okay, we are done. We're checking everything. Hey, அது ashtray. போங்கம்மா. We're done. We are checking out. So, yeah, we're saying a goodbye to this villa. Beautiful villa. And the beautiful place. If you do wanna come, I'll definitely provide the contacts and links in the description, or else you can DM me in Insta. Definitely I'll let you know what is the price and all. I'll let you know for sure.
Kilograms of sugar and 22 kilograms of cocoa butter is added. For white chocolate, 30 kilograms cocoa butter, 14 kilograms sugar, 22 kilograms milk powder are the 3 ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 48 kilograms of sugar, 22 kilograms of
white
milk
chocolate.
powder, and cocoa butter, 30 kilograms. After 24 hours of function, the chocolate is transferred to a
Bro,
melting tank and
pasikkidu bro.
kept at 50 degrees Celsius.
Craving, bro.
Dark white chocolate.
There's a chocolate that's it.
ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
Yeah, disappointed little bit, bro. I thought if you what movie, bro? That different movie was there, na? He is a kind of he doesn't have a brain growth. I don't know exactly, don't know the name. In that movie, actually, it is good. I thought it will be like that only.
Guys, they are faking. Waste of money.
We wasted 30 rupees per head. Please, yeah. But okay, the chocolate is good. I think so. Chocolate is good, nice, Chocolate is nice, Chocolate is nice. Totally waste of money. Money. Wow, what a nice view, right, bro? I'll put it in gear and check on. I know it's a bad idea, but since we are below, right, it's good to do like this.
Oh my God! Wow!
I'm enjoying here. I don't know the spot name, but see, you can see the tea estates. See how beautiful it is, and the mic is capturing the bird chirping sound or not, I don't know, but see, the view is awesome here. Wow, I hope so. If you are from Ooty, you are not willing to leave this place if it is your hometown. Man, literally I came here for 2 days, but I had some bad experience because we didn't went as planned. But by seeing the nature, I'm feeling to stay here only. Wow. What's it, Ritesh?
Good, bro.
They left to staying here. Oh, wow. Guys, the charging is 37%. I don't have the external that wire also to charge the GoPro. I'll try. If it is charging, means good. If not, means sorry if I'm not showing any good places like this. You can see my bike. I didn't repair my bike. It's like that only, but still I'm riding for you guys only to give a good content. So please do subscribe. Everybody is watching the video but not subscribing the channel. Please do subscribe. It will give me some energy to show you beautiful places like this. Wow, man. Wow. Let's start, Satish. Guys, we took a wrong route, but it's good actually. Yo, it's too risky, bro. This route. Yo. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching. This is Sabi Madhav signing off.